In this guide, you will see how to install Cisco Anyconnect VPN. First, go to portal.duke.edu, then enter your NetID and password to log in to the site. When it prompts for MFA, please use your mobile device to affirm multi-factor authentication. Download the Cisco Anyconnect Secure Mobility Client. And once it downloads, run the program. Click Next, accept the terms, click Next, now install. Now you're going to have to hit Yes to approve the installation. Let the installation finish, and once it does, you'll get a prompt to hit the button that says Finish. Hit Finish. Now click on your Start menu, go to Cisco, and launch Cisco Anyconnect Secure Mobility Client. Then in the Mobility Client, type portal.duke.edu, hit Connect. It will once again ask for your NetID and password. Do this, and then once again confirm your multi-factor authentication. Once you do, it will establish the session and you will be able to connect to the VPN. Thank you.